He was never an elected Prime Minister, he was an appointed Prime Minister. I've known this Prime Minister for 40 years. He has been professor with me, he has been my friend, he has been my economic advisor when I was Commerce Minister. I know that he is a biological wonder because he was born without a spine. So to expect a spine from him is too much. When he was appointed, it was because Ms. Sonia Gandhi couldn't become Prime Minister. She may have done a drama that, oh, I am making sacrifice. That's not true. She had sent 340 letters, each signed by single MP. I so-and-so, elected from so-and-so, hereby propose the name of Sonia Gandhi for the Prime Minister of India. 340 letters to the President of India. And one of those letters was, I, Sonia Gandhi, elected from Raebareli, hereby propose Sonia Gandhi for the Prime Minister of India. So how can she say that I was not interested? The President called me on the 17th of May at 12:30 and said, come in 15 minutes. I said, can I eat my lunch and come? He said, no. 15 minutes you have to come, otherwise don't come. I rushed to his place. When I went to his room, all his officers were sitting, and he said, you have written me a letter. Explain what this letter is. I said in that letter I had said that Sonia Gandhi has become a citizen by virtue of the Citizenship Act of India. That is, she has become registered as a citizen. I and you are citizens born in this country. And therefore our citizenship can never be taken away unless you yourself give it up. But that citizenship can be taken away any time, subject to certain conditions. But in the Citizenship Act there is a proviso, which most people don't read, which has now been amended out, but that amendment is illegal. So I can take care of it again if the problem arises. In that proviso it was written that whichever foreigner becomes the citizen of India, he or she shall be subject to the same conditions which an Indian becoming citizen in their country will be subject to. And in Italy, if an Indian becomes a citizen there, he cannot be Prime Minister because he was not born in Italy. And therefore, Sonia Gandhi cannot become Prime Minister in India because she was not born in India. The President then told me, we can go now. So I asked him in Tamil, what are you going to do? He said, don't worry, I will do what is required to be done. So at 3:30 he wrote a letter to her, because he had already invited her at 5 o'clock to stake the claim. At 3:30 he wrote her a letter saying, I had invited you for 5 o'clock to stake a claim, but I have got this complaint from Subramaniam Swamy. I do not know the merit of his argument, but I will have to cross-check it with the Supreme Court and the Election Commission. And so I will not be in a position to invite you to the form of the government till I get that opinion. If, however, you still want to discuss the formation of government, you can come tomorrow at 10 o'clock. Next day she went with Manmohan Singh. I am saying to the Congress people who say this is a lie, that 3:30 letter exists, we know, because Manmohan Singh himself read out the last line. You can come tomorrow at 10 o'clock to discuss the government formation. He didn't read the whole letter, he only read the last line. Release that letter, and the whole picture will become